welcome back to another video, guys. I'm here with Wow African once more. I love how sophisticated their packaging always is, so minimalistic. Love that. So a little drawstring bag is on the inside with the stuff, which I'm gonna get to. I got this goodie bag as well, and there's a card, thank you card, with just saying thanks. So yeah, that's a little goodie bag. What I got inside here is a rat tail comb, a pair of lashes. Oh, these are really nice and cute. They're not too much, definitely not even too much. I have a pair of the HD wig caps and a Wow African scarf, so I like that. So I'm excited for today's wig. It feels so soft right out of the packaging, I must say. So this is basically a Kinky Edges HD lace curly bob, and this is 14 inches long and it's 180% in density. I love the cut, the blunt cut, and it's also very, like, this is extremely soft, guys. Such a soft hair texture. It also is of a natural light color, that 1B vibe, and it's already very nicely customized with the front. You know, as I said, it's a Kinky Edges wig, so it looks really good. You don't have to worry about bleaching and tinting this yourself. It already comes with all of that done for you, as well as pre-plucked. There are a total of 4 combs on the inside of the cap. It's a medium cap as well, and there's this adjustable strap that you can, you know, leave in there, or you could detach it if you don't need it inside. And there are adjustable straps on the back of the cap for more security, so you could just go ahead and make it, you know, nice and snug by using those straps. So that's how the wig looks. Okay, also it is a 13 by 6 for the mid portion here, but on the sides it's less depth, as you can see. So for the most part, on the middle portion, you could definitely give a nice side part or center part, because you're gonna get that nice depth from it. But everything already looks really nice and natural, so I really love that about this wig. And I love a good kinky edge as well, because when you go ahead and you lay the edges, like, you get that nice curly vibe. So that's really pretty. So okay, that's really nice and snug. You see how natural that looks? Like, this is giving me vibes like you could wear this glueless. It feels so secure on my head, you know. I'm loving how it feels. I'm just gonna take off the excess. Nothing crazy. Guys, this very much feels like a glueless install type of wig, because not saying that whenever I do glue installs, you definitely need to do a glue install, you know, but it's just like, I just love the convenient feeling of this. Like, you can just tell based on how the cap fits your head once you slip it on sometime, like, just a vibe. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just go ahead and cut off all the excess lace. I'm just go ahead and cut off all the excess lace from the wig, and that's looking good. The only thing, of course, you know, the ear portion will lift a little, but look how, like, melted that looks. That looks so good. I'm definitely gonna take some spray to just tap down the side here. And you know what I also love? The curl pattern. Like, it still has this, it's like, it's not extremely, like, it's not an extreme tightly, like, curly vibe, but it's still like, the curls that it have is still so nice and voluminous. I really like that vibe. It looks so good, man, and I love how it looks. All I need to do is I'll probably add just a little water to just define the curls a little bit more, but that's gonna be it. So all I'm gonna do now is get my spray. All I'm gonna do is get the spray and literally spray down the, lay the side down so it's nice and melted, like it doesn't lift rather. That's all the work I really need to do. No cast, no nothing. Look at that. All glueless. I just love, and I can't stop saying it, I love the direction all these companies, like I love the direction these companies are going in with, just like upping their quality of their wigs. Because look how this just look natural. This just look like my natural hair. Honestly and truly, from the edges go straight to the hair. Like what? Like if you want to do like a nice, which is this is the vibe I'm going for. I'm just gonna use a little bit of water to just define it, and I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like make my parting more precise, just to flat it down in the least. I'm not gonna like go too far away because I still want to keep the volume up at the top. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming. No man, you can't tell me something my ear this. That is too nice. What? I love that. Well, African. You guys, as much as you see me here and I say, you hear me say I'm gonna like wet it to give it more definition, I really kind of just holding off because I kind of love it dry, like completely dry, but I also want to give you guys that look of it once I wet it, so you can see how even much nicer it will look. Okay, so I just have my water bottle, and then it's straight water, nothing mixed with it. And you know, one of the biggest things I love about these wigs, let me tell you, see when you have on a full-on lace front glueless wig, I feel as if it makes you explore that option of not using any adhesive or a little. So even if you're going to be outside and you know sometimes after a bit, like I don't know, if it gets really hot and stuff, sometimes the wig might lift. If you get the area wet, it might start lifting after a while. This has absolutely no product on it, so it's so nicely snug, and they construct the cabin a way where no matter what the temperature is outside or what activities you're indulging in, there's nothing to reveal itself. You know what I mean? Like there's no adhesive on the lace, so it's gonna stay concealed. Like it's literally not going to be lifting. It won't look like, cause look at that. Yes, so I feel like that's one of my the biggest reasons why I love a good glueless wig. If you do go ahead and apply some adhesive, like some spray, it's really just a bonus. It's just like extra precautionary measures, maybe because I don't know, maybe if you're going to end up doing a lot of activities and you just want to, you know, get it super laid. I'm just using my finger to kind of run through this, and you see how this side looks? You see that? It's really pretty because there's no like added product, like apart from water. It will dry down really fast like this, but like no frizz or anything. It will just dry down nice and defined. So I love that. Oh my gosh, let me know what you guys think. I do have a discount code, it's in my description box, so please make use of that. Yes, okay, you guys know whenever I have a deal, like I love that for you guys. I love that for us because I always look out for no matter what. Alright, so yeah, and I feel like this is great for summertime. I mean, a bob, and it's glueless. You don't have to be worrying about being sweaty, and just like you don't have those stresses to deal with at all. This wig is so bomb. That's all. That's it. So easy, right? Extremely beginners friendly. I hope you guys found this informative. If you like this wig, if you found it informative, go ahead and give this video a thumb up, and don't forget to go ahead and check out the Wow African website. The direct link to this wig will be in my description box, so check that out, and all the specifications, all the details on this wig will be listed, so please go ahead, check that out, make use of all of that. And yeah, that's how we're looking. Oh, let me do my little lift test. You see that? You see that? Yeah, all glueless. It's a 10. Highly recommend. Highly, if you're going for this nice curly natural look, highly recommend. Well, yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. All for now, and I will see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on myself. Bye.